Hi friends, welcome to my studio. I thought I'd take a couple of minutes to show you what I've been working on lately, but first let me give you an overview of this fabulous studio space. I'm walking through my backyard to get to the studio. I love all of the native California plants back here. We've just had 2 days of rain, which is much appreciated because we've been in a drought for the past 4 or 5 years. And this is the studio. Come on in. This is the studio space that I walk into every morning, and I'm always amazed that it's mine. I'm so grateful to have such a beautiful studio space to work in. I have quite a few different projects going on right now, and one of them is my leaf print on silk tutorial. I've been doing a lot of experiments with leaf prints on these silk scarves, trying different techniques, and soon, in a month or two, that will be released as the leaf print on silk tutorial. I'm also working on some new paintings for my Gaia series, and this is one that I did the other day that's drying, and these are some paints I picked out for what I'm going to do this afternoon. Then there are these crazy sanded paintings. These are pieces that I sanded down, and they're quite beautiful, but I don't know what to do with them yet. They're going to be underpaintings, I think, for something new. I've also been working on some pieces that are done with natural dyes, which is quite different from my paintings. Well, as you can see, I've got plenty here to keep me busy. Thanks for joining me in the studio today. Have a lovely week, and I'll see you again soon.